The Earth once had an advanced and thriving civilization during the Ice Age. However, a comet disaster wiped it out 1,000 years ago. This story, long considered fanciful, faded into oblivion. But the recent discovery of an invaluable ancient artifact has validated this story and serves as a warning of future dangers. Famous journalist and supporter of pseudoscientific theories, Graham Hancock, declared that an immensely advanced civilization existed before this global comet catastrophe, and a similar disaster could recur in 2030. He suggested that a highly developed human civilization was erased by a global disaster, leaving only traces and legends. This theory was mocked by scientists and dismissed since its first introduction in the 1990s. However, Han Lano book, Magicians of the Gods, presents discoveries from around the world, supporting his claim that a comet fragment struck Earth about 13.0 years ago. The most compelling and bizarre evidence is a massive stone unearthed at an ancient site in Turkey called Göbekli Tepe, which Hancock claims is one of the oldest architectural structures on Earth, predating Stonehenge by twice its age, but with much more intricate craftsmanship. The astronomical carvings in the stone served as tools for prehistoric astronomers and also narrated ancient legends, including the fall of a comet that nearly wiped out everything on Earth. Despite extensive information in the book, Hancock continued to face ridicule. Since the book's release in 2015, he has been dismissed as a dreamer and an amateur. However, a recent independent study has validated many of Hancock's claims, proving his lone voice correct over 20 years. This forces a re-evaluation of mainstream, conventional beliefs, which might always be accurate or concrete in Hegel. These carvings seemingly depict a comet condition while now 1500 BC's. A report from a research team at Edinburgh University School of Engineering, published in a lesser-known journal, corroborated Hancock's shocking claims. These claims, reminiscent of a blockbuster global disaster movie, combined elements of science fiction and detective thrillers. If mainstream archaeologists agree with Hancock, it could lead us to a shift in scholarly perception. Scientific consensus has long agreed that a cataclysmic event occurred about 13.0 years ago. However, Hancock argues that we already have all the evidence needed. Over 200 ancient legends from tribes spanning the Arctic to the equator speak of an advanced human civilization destroyed by floods and fire. Physical evidence in the form of giant stones, platinum mines, and tiny diamond deposits across North America supports the theory of a massive collision or its byproducts under intense heat and pressure. Hancock suggests the only plausible explanation aligns with the event depicted on Göbekli Tepe's limestone pillars, a comet collision, now verified by the Edinburgh team. He believes our planet collided with a blazing comet, ejecting from space with the force of thousands of atomic bombs and annihilating many large animals, including mammoths and giant bears, and nearly wiping out humanity. However, survivors included ancestors of the Billion tribe in the Canadian prairies, who still recount tales of a long-term star falling from the sky and transforming the world. The Göbekli Tepe stone pillars, especially the Vulture Stone, depict a series of animals representing constellations in the disastrous comet, as seen in the sky in 9500 BE. This dating was confirmed through computer simulations, tracing the appearance of these constellations in the ancient sky. The Göbekli Tepe carvings, particularly the Vulture Stone, illustrate a headless man symbolizing human annihilation. These findings suggest that ancient carvers had the capability and knowledge to calculate and trace the constellation shifting patterns over millennia, contradicting current views of prehistoric humans as mere nomadic hunter-gatherers. Hancock argues that if we accept the comet collision theory in Göbekli Tepe's advanced age, it implies the existence of a pre-catastrophic civilization at least as advanced as the Romans. We don't know their language or where they stored their knowledge, but unless a group of foraging refugees in Turkey suddenly mastered key fields of human knowledge to build Göbekli Tepe, an advanced civilization must have existed before the comet disaster. The knowledge possessed by post-Astros survivors seems miraculous to ancient nomads, possibly explaining humanity's innate fascination with magic and miracles. The recent discoveries validating Han Meku's theories make his other conjectures suddenly more plausible. Although some remain too challenging for mainstream scholars to accept, if proven correct. Everything he previously stated becomes less significant, as history might repeat itself. Hancock believes that Göbekli Tepe is not only depict an ancient comet collision, but also predict another in the future. He warns that an object from the Taurid meteor stream, the belt contained millions of asteroids, could again threaten Earth. The Taurid meteor stream, containing potentially dangerous large objects moving at high velocities, intersects Earth's orbits twice each year in October and November. Among these objects are several comets, such as Comet NK, and others over 1 ton in diameter, parts of the Taurid family. Imagine the catastrophic impact if such a large object collided with Earth. Additionally, a mysterious asteroid, akin to a ticking time bomb, accompanies Comet NK, hidden within the Taurid meteor stream. This asteroid, potentially up to 30 km in diameter, contains a massive amount of tar, brewing tremendous pressure ready to explode. The threat these objects pose to life on Earth is significant, especially given their biannual intersection with Earth's orbit. While the danger seems distant without a specific timeline, scientists have identified a potential future collision. Parts of the Taurid meteor stream that once wreaked havoc on Earth are expected to return after approximately 13,000 years. This conclusion is accurate. We have less than 10 years to prepare countermeasures. Hancock emphasizes that his revelations are not to incite panic about an impending apocalypse, but to raise awareness for action. He asserts that technologies already exist to clear space debris and avert potential threats, ensuring we do not become the next lost civilization. For many observers, Hancock's leap from solid evidence suppositions to apocalyptic prediction seems too extreme and speculative. However, discoveries at Göbekli Tepe have forced mainstream science to take his theories more seriously. Perhaps it's time to lend more weight to his hypotheses before it's too late. In summary, Hancock's theories, once dismissed as fanciful, are gaining traction due to recent archaeological and scientific findings. The existence of an advanced civilization before a comet disaster, the potential for such an event to recur, and the urgent need for preparedness and technological intervention is central to his arguments. While some aspects of his theories remain controversial and speculative, they have sparked significant interest and debate in scientific and archaeological circles. As Hancock's theories receive more attention, they challenge conventional views of human history and our understanding of ancient civilizations. The discovery of Göbekli Tepe and its advanced architectural techniques suggests that our ancestors might have possessed none of what we previously believed. This site, with its astronomical carvings and sophisticated design, indicates a level of civilization that predates known history. The potential recurrence of a comet impact, similar to the one believed to have occurred 13.0 years ago, raises concerns about the fragility of human civilization. Hancock's emphasis on the need for preparedness and technological advancements to protect Earth from future cosmic threats is a call to action for the scientific community and world leaders. However, the reception of Hancock's theories in the academic world remains mixed. While some find his ideas intriguing and worthy of further exploration, others criticize them for lacking robust scientific evidence and for drawing too heavily on speculation. The data of Hancock's theories exemplifies the ongoing tension between mainstream scientific perspectives and alternative hypotheses in understanding human history and the mysteries of our planet. In the broader context, Hancock's work contributes to a growing interest in revisiting and reevaluating ancient history and archaeology. It encourages a more open-minded approach to exploring the past, recognizing that there may be undiscovered chapters of human history waiting to be uncovered. The potential implications of such discoveries could reshape our understanding of human development, the history of civilizations, and our place in the cosmos.